Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Notebook LM for research and document analysis. Notebook LM is a free AI research tool from Google that helps you understand documents faster so you can upload files and ask questions. So let's get started. First, go to any browser and search Notebook LM. Then click the first link and log in if needed. Once you're inside Notebook LM, click New Notebook. So a notebook is like a workspace where you organize documents related to a project, a subject, or a research topic. So for this example, I create a notebook and give it a name. So let's name it Research for Avocado. Click Add Source. Select the files you want to upload, and Notebook LM supports PDF, Google Docs, websites, YouTube links, and other source types. Upload your file, select your files, and after the files are uploaded, Notebook LM will analyze the document and prepare them for AI-assisted research. Now, let's try one of the most useful features, asking questions, like summarize this PDF. Notebook LM will read the uploaded sources and generate an answer based on the information they contain. You can also ask more specific questions to quickly find important details without manually searching through every page. Notebook LM will generate a concise overview of the key topics and key points from the uploaded materials. This is especially useful when working with long documents and you want a quick understanding of the content. Notebook LM will generate review materials that may include key concepts, important questions, and discussion points. Now let us explore the studio. So the studio has a lot of AI capabilities here. Now let's try the mind map. Notebook LM will organize information visually, helping you understand how ideas and topics are connected. You can click different sections of the mind map to explore topics in greater detail. Finally, let's look at one of the most Notebook LM's popular features, the audio overview. So go back in the studio panel, click audio overview, and then select generate. Notebook LM will generate an AI-generated discussion based on your uploaded documents. Once the generation is complete, click play. You'll hear AI host discussing the information from your sources in a podcast-style conversation, making the content easier and more engaging to understand.
Have you ever stared at a shockingly high electricity bill and,
It's always a good idea to verify important information using the original source. And that's it. You now know how to use Google Notebook LM. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.